Welcome to English Essential Academy. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to talk on the phone in English. We'll follow Emma's story as she navigates different phone conversations. Let's get started and see how Emma handles her phone calls. One fine evening on Saturday, Emma remembered about her homework essay the professor gave her last week. Realizing she needed help, she immediately decided to call her friend Sarah. Emma picked up her phone, dialed Sarah's number, and waited for the call to connect. After a few rings, someone answered. "Hello? Is this Sarah?" Emma asked hesitantly. "Hello there. No, this is her mom speaking. Who is this?" Sarah's mother asked politely. "Hi, Miss Lily. I'm Emma, Sarah's friend. Can I talk to Sarah, please?" Emma requested. "Yes, of course, dear. Sarah is in the bathroom. I'll tell her to call you back in a minute," Miss Lily replied. "Sure, Miss Lily. Thank you, and have a nice day," Emma said before hanging up. 5 minutes later, Sarah came out of the bathroom and saw the missed call from Emma. She quickly called her back. "Hi, Emma. Sorry, I missed your call. What's up?" Sarah greeted. "Hey, Sarah. No problem. I was just calling to ask about the homework essay Mr. Johnson assigned last week. I'm a bit stuck," Emma explained. "Oh, that. Yeah, it's a bit tricky." "What part are you stuck on?" Sarah asked. "The introduction. I'm not sure how to start," Emma admitted. "All right, let's work on it together. We need to introduce the topic and outline the main points we'll cover in the essay," Sarah suggested. "Got it. So, if the topic is climate change, I could start by explaining what it is, right?" Emma asked for confirmation. "Exactly. You could start with a definition and maybe mention why it's important," Sarah advised. "Okay, thanks. That really helps. What about the main points? What are you including in yours?" Emma inquired. "I'm focusing on the causes, effects, and solutions to climate change. You could do the same or choose different aspects," Sarah shared. "That sounds good. Thanks for the help, Sarah." Emma expressed her gratitude. "Anytime, Emma. Do you need help with anything else?" Sarah asked. "Actually, yes. I also need to call the doctor's office to reschedule my appointment. I'm a bit nervous about it," Emma confessed. "Don't worry, Emma. Just be polite and clear about what you need. Do you have the number?" Sarah reassured her. "Yes, I do. I'll call them now. Thanks for the advice," Emma said. Emma hung up and took a deep breath. She dialed the number for the doctor's office. "Good afternoon, Dr. Smith's office. How can I help you?" the receptionist answered. "Hi, this is Emma Johnson. I have an appointment scheduled for next Tuesday, but I need to reschedule it," Emma explained. "Sure, Emma. Let me check the schedule. When would you like to come in?" the receptionist asked. "Is Thursday available?" Emma inquired. "Let me see. Yes, we have an opening at 10 a.m. on Thursday. Does that work for you?" the receptionist confirmed. "Yes, that's perfect. Thank you," Emma responded. "You're welcome, Emma. Your appointment is now scheduled for Thursday at 10 a.m. Have a great day," the receptionist concluded. "Thank you. You too," Emma said before ending the call. Emma felt relieved after rescheduling her appointment. She decided to call her professor, Mr. Johnson, for some guidance on the essay. Emma scrolled through her contacts, found Mr. Johnson's number, and pressed the call button. She waited as the phone rang. feeling a bit nervous. Finally, Mr. Johnson answered. "Hello, Mr. Johnson speaking," answered a familiar voice. "Hello, Mr. Johnson. This is Emma Johnson from your English class." Emma introduced herself. "Ah, Emma! How can I help you today?" Mr. Johnson asked warmly. "I have a few questions about the essay assignment. Could you spare a few minutes to help me?" Emma requested. "Of course, Emma. What's your question?" Mr. Johnson responded. "I'm having trouble structuring my essay. I've got the introduction, but I'm not sure how to organize the main points," Emma explained. "Well, after your introduction, you should have a section for each of your main points. Make sure to start each section with a topic sentence and provide supporting details," Mr. Johnson advised. "That makes sense. I'll do that," Emma said. "Oh, Emma, can you hold on for a moment? I'm getting another call," Mr. Johnson said. "Sure, I'll wait," Emma replied. Emma waited patiently while Mr. Johnson attended to the other call. After a few moments, he came back on the line. "Thank you for holding, Emma. Where were we?" "Oh, yes, the essay structure. Let me check my notes on the assignment. Please wait on the line for a moment," Mr. Johnson requested. "Sure, I'll wait," Emma responded. After a few moments, Mr. Johnson came back on the line. "All right, Emma. I have my notes here. For the body of the essay, make sure to clearly state each point and support it with evidence or examples," Mr. Johnson explained. "Thank you, Mr. Johnson. That's very helpful," Emma said gratefully. "No problem, Emma. If you need any more help, feel free to call me," Mr. Johnson offered. "Will do. Thanks again." "Have a good evening," Emma replied. "You too, Emma." "Goodbye," Mr. Johnson said before they both hung up. Feeling much better, Emma went back to her desk and started working on her essay with renewed confidence. Just then, she remembered she needed some supplies for her work. She decided to call her mom, who was out grocery shopping. Emma dialed her mom's number. "Hi, Mom. Where are you?" Emma asked when her mom picked up. "Hello, Emma. I'm at the grocery store. What do you need?" Her mom replied, "I just realized I'm out of pens and need a new notebook for my homework. Could you please buy some for me?" Emma requested. "Sure, I can do that. Anything else?" her mom asked. "Actually, yes. Could you call me when you're buying fruits? I want to tell you what I need," Emma added. "Of course, Emma. I'll give you a call when I get to the fruits section," her mom assured her. "Thanks, Mom. Oh, and can you also get some highlighters if they're available?" Emma asked. "No problem, dear. I'll get those for you," her mom replied. "Thanks, Mom. And please remember to call me when you're at the fruits section," Emma reminded her. "I will, Emma. Don't worry. Talk to you soon," her mom said. "All right, talk to you soon. Bye," Emma said before hanging up. Emma put down her phone, feeling content. She realized how important and comforting it was to stay connected with her loved ones through phone calls. She also felt more confident in making phone calls and using different phrases and etiquette in her conversations. A little later, Emma's phone rang. It was her mom calling from the fruits section of the store. Emma answered the call with a smile. "Hi, Mom. Are you at the fruits section now?" Emma asked. "Yes, I am. What fruits do you need?" her mom inquired. "Can you get some apples and bananas, please? Also, if they have strawberries, can you get a box?" Emma requested. "Sure, I'll get those. Anything else? Her mom asked. No, that's all for now. Thanks, Mom, Emma replied. You're welcome, Emma. I'll see you soon. Bye for now, her mom said. Bye, Mom. Thanks again, Emma said, before ending the call. Emma felt happy knowing she had everything she needed. She went back to her desk, ready to tackle her essay with all the supplies her mom was bringing home. Now that you've learned how to talk on the phone in English, we'd love to hear from you. How do you say hello in your language when answering the phone? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. We'd love to hear what you'd like to learn next, so feel free to share your ideas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next lesson at English Essential Academy.